Meaning of docudrama.
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 Docudrama. A docudrama is a type of film or television show that blends elements of both documentary and drama genres. It typically presents real historical events or issues in a narrative format, using reenactments, archival footage, and expert interviews to create an engaging and informative story for viewers. The aim of a docudrama is to educate and entertain audiences while staying true to the factual accuracy of the events portrayed. This genre has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its ability to artfully balance education and entertainment.